Good day, gentlemen and ladies. The subject of my video today, it's regarding an item I just received, and before talking about that item, I'm gonna inform you from my research that I just complete. Alright, I just done. Alright, stick around. Alright folks, so let me read you some important fact about this item I'm gonna show it to you. Alright. While the exact number of household dryer fire may vary by sources, one report citing data compiled by Canadian authorities indicate that dryers cause around 460 residential fire in Canada per year. All right. Other sources mention that home appliances, excluding heating and cooking equipment, account for 700 residential fires annually across the country. It is difficult to find a single consistent Canada-specified number, and many reports on the topic use statistics from the U.S. National Fire Protection Association, the NFPA, or other government bodies, which estimate a much higher number, over 15,000 fires annually. The key point regarding dryer fire in Canada: the dryer causes about 2% of structural fire and account for highest share, 92% of all appliance fire. All right. The leading cause of these fires is a failure to clean and perform a routine maintenance, specifically the accumulation of lint and dryer filter and exhaust vent. Statistics Canada reports show that appliance equipment clothes dryer each account about 2% of the major cause of home fire were identified in the period of 2005 to 2014. All right. Now, don't forget, there's two types of main dryer. One is electrical, the other one is gas, natural gas or gas fire, gas dryer. All right. So these are more towards the west, where they have an abundance of natural gas and I forget the other name of the gas. Sorry about that. So, I was contacted in the beginning of end of November about a product. If I was interested to make a video about it, I said yes, but I very well known about. I don't know. I didn't know about that, but. Since I was in the Air Force as a parachute packer, like a rigger, we had big dryers, like we have a parachute dryer, like to dry the parachute, but we also have commercial dryer, which we receive a maintenance course about it, like making sure all the electrical element was clean and everything. And also during the very short period, I was a volunteer firefighter, and especially for energy efficiency, to make sure that we clean the dryer, the importance of having a clean dryer. So I received from the post this item. All right, let's make sure I have the right one. All right, so it's the right. It's called the dryer lint vacuum attachment. It's sold by Sealegend. All right. On my video description on the bottom, all right, you will see all the link that you can buy this lint dryer. All right. So basically, it's a flexible lint dryer. All right, and it's stretched with a universal connector from your vacuum system, whatever type of vacuum system you have, like a hose haul or portable or everything. All right. Now, the wide range of use: deep clean the dryer, remove outdoor vent clog, hard to reach corner, remove years of buildup lint, improve dryer performance. It does, because I always do. Help prevent fires. No, please read the accompanying instruction before use. If you have any question about the product, our product, do not hesitate to let us know, and we will provide the best services. All right. So I'm just going to open it right in front of you. All right. That oh boy. Perfect. All right. So it is color blue. I like it. Very well packed. All right. Oh, it's easy opening though. I love that. All right. So I'm just going to open it in front of you, like so. All right. So there's the instruction here. So it can also clean the inside of your outside vent of your drawer. All right. It's also upgrade connector design. So it can, oh, it does flex. All right. So I'm just gonna show it to you, like all the various items that you can connect. I hope you're able to see. All right. Like I said, you have all the instruction on the website. You can connect with a stick vacuum cleaner, home vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum. All right. And also the industrial automotive dryer using for clean dryer. All right, so it's all common sense in here, like you can see on the picture. You connect to the vacuum and you go in there. All right, so again, look inside my video description. They give me a link. But one thing I would like to inform you, the most important, yes, I'm very surprised about the flexibility. Now I didn't put in the freezer to test. It doesn't need, because it's but it does flex pretty good. It's like a rubberized plastic, like it's a very this feel like more like a condom. I know, guys, but it's very flexible, so it will go either from inside, or it depends on what type of hose that you have. You know those big garage vacuum, it will probably go over that, but the house it will be between the lid and there. But it is flexible, right? Like I say, you can stretch it. It really feels like a condom. I do that now. You dirty minds, I know what you're thinking. All right, so let's. Jeez, I just shake it off that button. All right, so let's try it in my drawer. But be aware, my drawer is only. I always clean it because of the risk of fire. But very lengthy tube. And yes, it can be used on your outside of your outside vent of your drawer. And also I'm thinking too the heat exchanger of your house, the outside intake and exhaust. It will be a good thing to use too. All right, so stick around. I'm going to install it and see how it does. All right, let's go to see my clean drawer. All right, folks, so this is my drawer right here. I've got the drawer lint vacuum attachment made by Sealegend. All right, so this is a normal household. Mine is a Cyclovac. It's a company made in who make household vacuum in Quebec. So you see the size. This is the normal average size. So you just put it like that, and it goes right. You can put it either like this, and then you just put the lip right over it, like so. So it creates a really good seal. All right, like I told you, it's a nice fit. All right, now I removed my lint. Like I told you, I always clean my lint filter. All right, and I'm just gonna, oh boy, that's a good suction in there. So it really does go further more. Like how you can see how deep I go into that interesting G-spot in the ear. Did I say that? You cannot hear me, right? But definitely it does go further more. I'm just gonna shut it down, but just to let you know, it goes, my God, a good, that's more than the 12-inch, it's a 16-inch, so it goes really, really far. With that, you're gonna reach the G-spot, that's for sure. Alright, sorry about my sense of humor for you ladies. all right? But it does, like you can see, it does reach very, and yes, it is very flexible. Let me have a clean of it. I just put it on. Oh! Yeah, you see, I haven't cleaned my dryer and it does remove stuff. It's pretty good. Now you may have to adjust your adjustable vent because that thing sucks a lot. So look at that! Holy smoke! And like I told you, I clean my drawer, but I never go so far. That is outstanding. And by the way, my drawer is only 1.5 years old. Wow! I mean, you see it, it really removes stuff, and I'm a clean guy. Clean freak guy, and I was using, you know, the extension we come with it. With these, it's a very narrow one. I think you can see that's the extension I use there where I'm pointing at. Wow! So, by the way, can you imagine what it does for the outside vent intake or the exhaust of your house? Heat exchanger or exhaust of your drawer. So wow, 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 I'm very impressed. Yes, of course, if you can disconnect your drawer, push it and clean the back, but most of the time what we discover in the course, it was always at the bend here, you know, the way it works, there's a bend in there, and that's how the accumulation occur, and I thought I was removing all of it. So, wow, I'm very impressed. So thank you very kindly. I forgot his name of the gentleman who sent me that drawer, but definitely you just saw it right now. I'm sincerely impressed. I will let you know, like I said, there's the link. You can buy these. And also, all right, there's a car ventilation system, there AC system, there everything you need an extra flexibility length to clean system. All your intake and exhaust of each room for the heat exchanger you can use too. So I'm very, very impressed. And by the way, like you saw, it's a good plastic, it's flexible. Very, very good quality. Like it's the same, you know what, it feels like the same plastic of your vacuum hose. Yeah, I'd say it looks like the same type of plastic. All right, so that's it, folks. Thank you very kindly. Remember, do clean your, I kept clean my drawer like I told you, and with this outstanding tool I'm able to reach furthermore, all right, to gain that G-spot that all drawers need to be clean, all right? All right. So, thank you kindly for all your standing support. Please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you kindly for taking the time to clean your drawer, all right? You will may save you a house fire, like I told you at the beginning of the video. So, let's share knowledge. And remember, folks, life is very good. Cheers! Last recommendation, keep the box and store it back in there, in that box. All right, you can even put the instruction back or stick it outside. The main reason is it's you want to protect it against intensive heat or cold or UV rays from the sun. All right, that will make the plastic rigid. All right, so keep the box, store it inside the box. A very good quality box, also very strong. So that will be my last recommendation. All right, folks. Cheers.